You'll show up. Ready?
Okay, let's watch Paxton this beautiful tail walk. Look at that. Very nice. You see he's all flippers and dorsal fin and tail flukes. He's growing into his fins, we like to say. He was born with the hugest of fins. And a huge forehead, just like his dad, Rainbow. I'm talking about your big head. I know, but it's full of brains, Julie. I know, he's a very intelligent dolphin. There's Alita showing you how she's using those pectoral flippers for making those turns. She's using that tail fluke to get up that speed. Very nice, Alita, and she's probably using her echolocation to make sure she doesn't hit anything. And those pectoral flippers do have bones in them, so they do have a ball and socket joint like we do, the arm bones and the 5 finger digits. Their ball and socket doesn't work like ours, so they don't have that same range of movement, but they can use them to turn, they can use them to stop, they can even use them to go backwards. I heard one of our trainers say dolphins can go backwards, and scientists studying dolphins, yay, didn't believe this was true because they've been studying dolphins in the wild who probably don't need to go backwards. But sometimes our dolphins are going to go through a gate and it's like, no, I don't want to go through the gate, and they scull backwards to get away from that gate. I'm sure beautiful is the right word, but it's very pretty, Alita. Can you see how Alita's stomach's more grey when she's twiddling around there? He's off. Does anybody have any questions? Anything that you'd like to know about dolphins?